how to manually back up your iPhone contacts. So let me show you how it works. If you are new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Of course, you have the ability to go to the settings, then like your profile at the top and iCloud. And here you get to decide if you want your contacts to be backed up automatically to iCloud, right? So that is pretty obvious. You can set it up, right? No problem. However, if you want to back up your contacts automatically, you can do so, but you'll need to use a third-party app. So you're gonna go to the App Store and download an app for exporting contacts, right? So I'm using this one. It's literally called Export Contacts with this icon. And the way that it works is that I get inside, I decide the format of my contacts, export or backup, because there are a few, right? The V card is the one which gets like uploaded to a different service. For example, if you would want to move your contacts to an Android, the V card format can be uploaded to the Android device, and those contacts will be uploaded there, right? So it is like a contact sharing file extension, right? So you can use that, or there's also the CSV or Excel, which are like the spreadsheet files. So you can also export them in a spreadsheet, and it could also work out well for you. So this is where you get to decide the file format. Then you're going to click on continue. You might get an ad from the app, depends on which one you get, but after it's through, you'll be able to just perform the export and save that exported file somewhere, right? So you can just save it into the Files app or share it over, I don't know, like AirDrop, Contacts, I mean, whatever it is, you can just have the file exported and backed up. So let me know if you managed to find it and successfully made it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon.